Today I'm going to chat with you personally on how you and I can get the absolute most out of this video. The secret is watch the whole video till end, and as we go through the videos together, there's a lot of fun. So not only you'll be learning from the videos and improving your knowledge, you'll also be having fun as we go through these videos together, you and I. So let's jump right into it. Today's topic of discussion is intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting has recently attracted attention and everyone is talking about it. The information is just a click away. I'm going to talk about intermittent fasting at cellular level of our body. Intermittent fasting is actually a food deprivation period which is repeated between a fasting and non-fasting duration. There will not be any malnutrition effects. A clinical research was done in which healthy human volunteers were subjected to 60 hours of fasting and blood samples at 12 and 60 hours were collected. The researchers observed a decrease in plasma glucose by 30% and insulin by 50%. There was a significant increase in the extent of lipolysis and fat oxidation or fat burning. Intermittent fasting is phenomenal. It's a powerful tool to improve your health. You want to restrict your calories to 6 to 8 hour window. You want to have your biggest meal for the day and then go out and work for an hour. Why? Because you want your body to use that energy. Metabolically, it's the most efficient way to do that because you have within all your cells the ability to make energy, and usually it's done through little devices or organelles called mitochondria. Mitochondria is the energy-producing structures in the cell, and there are thousands of them. The problem is when they get excess fuel, they generate something called free radicals. Free radicals are not all bad. They actually tell a bad cell to kill itself. Very helpful in the case of cancers or autoimmune diseases. But excess free radicals damage your tissues, your cell membranes, your DNA. They'll accelerate aging, they will prematurely kill you and cause a whole lot of degenerative diseases. So ideally, the best way to do this is to make sure that your energy flow, that is your energy input, should be equal to energy output. So if you're putting a lot of energy in, you want to make sure that you're doing that connected with your biggest energy expenditure of the day. Like for example, if you're walking daily 1 hour, you want to have biggest meal of the day before your daily walking schedule so that you use up all the energy you consume. This will teach your mitochondria to become more efficient and there won't be any free radical leaks that damages your tissues. That's why it is so important to not to eat at least 3 hours before you go to bed in the night, as you don't want to give energy to your body before you sleep, thus avoiding excess free radical production. So if you want to be healthy, then this is the best strategy you want to follow. Fasting switches our cells to a protected anti-aging mode. It promotes autophagy. Now what's autophagy? Well, it's a normal physiological process the body cells use to remove viruses, bacteria, and damaged material from the cell. You can think autophagy as self-eating mechanism of the body. This mechanism replaces cell components with newly generated functional ones because of stem cell activation. In a clinical study done in 2015, researchers discovered that intermittent fasting increases stem cell numbers. Various cell types such as bone, muscle, liver, brain, and immune cells were regenerated. So that's all for today. Hope you can incorporate intermittent fasting in your regimen and reap its benefits of increased lifespan and fat metabolism. Thanks for watching.